New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy has signed a bill giving a tax break to Danish offshore wind developer Ørsted for the first two energy projects it plans to place in the water off the Jersey shore. The bill allows Ørsted to keep federal tax credits that it otherwise would have been required to pass along to New Jersey utility ratepayers.
I cannot emphasize this enough. We have a once-in-a-generation opportunity right now to bring tens of thousands of overwhelmingly union jobs and billions of dollars of investment to our state with offshore wind.
Additional approvals are still required at the federal and state levels, but Ørsted said it expects to have them in hand by the second quarter of 2024. It plans to begin construction on the wind farm with nearly 100 wind turbines this fall. It aims to provide enough electricity to power 500,000 homes. Ørsted also has approval to build a second wind farm off New Jersey's coast, but that project is not as far along in the regulatory process. In related news on offshore wind, last month Republican Senator Michael Testa called for a temporary pause on offshore wind development to see if it has any effect on the deaths of at least 50 whales on the East Coast since December. 3 federal scientific agencies and 1 state agency say there is no evidence that whale deaths are related to site preparation work for offshore wind projects. At the request of New Jersey Representative Chris Smith, the Congressional Accountability Office agreed to study the impact of offshore wind in the Northeast.